The Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K is an advanced streaming device. It delivers 4K Ultra HD resolution and comes equipped with Alexa voice control. After using it extensively for the past few weeks, I can confidently say it's an exceptional product. Having tried various competitors in the market, I realized there are key features I wish I had known before making my purchase. It would have made the decision even easier. Inside the package, you'll find the Fire TV Stick 4K, an Alexa voice remote, a USB cable and power adapter, an HDMI extender, a quick start guide. Setting up the Fire TV Stick 4K is quick and simple. Plug it into your TV's HDMI port. Connect the power adapter using the USB cable. Insert the batteries into the remote. Turn on your TV, select the correct HDMI input, and follow the on-screen instructions to connect to Wi-Fi. Once connected and logged into your Amazon account, you're ready to explore. The main menu is clean and user-friendly. It offers categories like live TV, movies, apps, and more. You can easily search for specific content or explore an extensive library of free movies, TV shows, and sports. For added convenience, subscription services like Netflix, Spotify, and Amazon Music are seamlessly accessible from one platform. The Alexa voice remote enhances convenience. With the dedicated button, you can search for shows and control playback, adjust TV settings like volume or mute, control smart home devices such as lights and thermostats. Alexa can also provide news updates, weather information, and more, all with simple voice commands. The Fire TV Stick 4K offers stunning 4K visuals with support for HDR10+ and Dolby Vision. Coupled with Dolby Atmos sound, it creates a cinematic viewing experience. This is especially true when connected to compatible soundbars or home audio systems. For gamers, the device supports smooth gameplay with a 750 MHz GPU and features like auto low latency mode for cloud gaming. Amazon's Luna service even offers a rotating selection of free games for Prime members. The device supports multiple user profiles. This allows each person in your household to enjoy tailored recommendations, viewing histories, and watch lists. It's also incredibly portable. Simply unplug it, toss it into your bag, and take it anywhere with an HDMI-compatible display and Wi-Fi. The Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K is the ultimate tool for enjoying premium streaming content. Whether at home or on the go, it delivers an intuitive menu, Alexa integration, 4K and Dolby Atmos support, and a vast content library. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.